So you might be trying to figure out how you can use Telegram without using a phone number. Now, the big thing to keep in mind is that you're going to have to get a phone number in order to sign up. However, you don't have to use your phone number. Luckily for you, there are a ton of free phone number services out there, and it's actually a super easy thing to do. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and just, download Telegram as you normally would. But again, you don't have to use your same phone number. What you can do is you can download a free texting application because you just need a temporary phone number. So you can download a free texting app. There's like 30,000 of them available all over the place, and you can go and kind of, see whatever you like. Now here what you can do is you can go through and download an app. Google Voice is a popular one. I think a lot of people use it. But you can use Pinger, you can use, text free. You can use all these ones right here, right? So choose whichever one you want to actually use. Then when you're done with that, all you're going to have to do here is basically just, download this type of app. So in this case, we can download this one. And then when you go ahead and sign up for Telegram, right? So when you open up Telegram right here and it asks you for your phone number, you just want to put in that particular phone number that you just created. So this is where you can input all of that information, and that is available right here for you. So that's basically how it's done. It's a very, very basic process, and that's basically how you do it. You just input this particular phone number that you got from one of these free texting applications, and from there, you can just go ahead and make your Telegram account. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.